Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the cost of the Toyota Sequoia. Let's dive into the pricing and available trim levels. The Sequoia lineup features 6 distinct trims, each offering a unique blend of features and capabilities. The entry-level SR5 starts at about $62,175, providing excellent value. For those seeking ultimate luxury and advanced features, the capstone trim begins around $83,665. Moving on to what powers this impressive SUV, the Sequoia boasts a robust I-Force MAX twin-turbo V6 hybrid engine. This powertrain generates a substantial 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque, ensuring strong performance. Despite its size, two-wheel drive models can achieve up to 24 miles per gallon on the highway. Plus, it offers a remarkable towing capacity of up to 9,520 pounds. Inside the Sequoia, comfort and technology take center stage. You'll find a spacious cabin designed to accommodate up to 8 passengers with a standard bench seat, or 7 with available second-row captain's chairs. The intuitive 14-inch Toyota audio multimedia touchscreen keeps you connected and entertained. Furthermore, advanced safety features, including Toyota Safety Sense, come standard, providing peace of mind on every journey. When considering a large SUV, understanding the long-term ownership costs is crucial. The average 5-year cost to own a Toyota Sequoia is estimated at around $63,817. This includes factors like fuel, insurance, and maintenance. Depreciation, a significant factor, is projected to be about $26,607 over 5 years, with annual maintenance averaging $841. The Sequoia presents a competitive value proposition.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.